Good morning, everybody. This is Larissa over in the Arvada location of Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum, and I wanted to let you know about something that is very exciting right now. We have a flash Arvada sale, and again, that is at the Arvada location only, but during the sale, we are going to offer 30% off all notions and accessories, which means you would get 30% off on fabric, and we have the new Kimberbell fabric. Come on in and see it. So we have this fabric at 30% off. We also have giant sale tables all throughout the store that are going to have 30 to 80% off. And yes, I said 80, 30 to 80% off. So we're going to have this giant sale going on for a very limited amount of time. Come on in and see us. And we have an additional 10% off on select floor model frenzy machines from the trade-in price. So they're really super discounted. And then we even still have some floor models like this guy right here, the Stellair one. So there's Stellair XE ones and XJ ones, and they have amazing pricing. So call us or come into the store to find out. And then we are gonna have a coupon going out that has 50% off on a sewing machine or a vacuum service. And then I would like to offer to the first 40 people that come in and mention this video, you're going to get an OESD Happy Holidays greeting cards or mug rug or coffee, what is it called? Cozy mug rugs. And this is going to go to the first 40 people that come in that mention the video, and we would love to see you here in the store for our fabulous sale. Thank you.